Google has done it again. The Pixel 9 series is here, and it's bringing a blend of innovation, performance, and that signature Pixel magic. In today's video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the Pixel 9 lineup, the features, models, and the official release date. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're into the latest tech trends, hit that subscribe button and smash the like button for more updates. Let's jump into the exciting world of the Google Pixel 9 series. The Pixel 9 series includes 4 standout devices. 1. The Pixel 9, the perfect balance of performance and value. 2. The Pixel 9 Pro, a premium device with top-tier features. 3. The Pixel 9 Pro XL for users who want the ultimate Pixel experience. 4. And the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, Google's latest innovation in foldable technology. And let's not forget the Pixel 9a, an affordable option expected to hit the market in mid-2025. The Pixel 9 series boasts a modern design with thinner bezels and stunning Actua and Super Actua LTPO displays. The Pixel 9 features a 6.3-inch display while the Pixel 9 Pro XL offers a massive 6.8-inch screen. For foldable fans, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold includes a 6.3-inch external display and an 8-inch internal display for an immersive experience. These displays are built for vibrant colors, smooth scrolling with a 120 Hz refresh rate, and exceptional outdoor visibility. Under the hood, all Pixel 9 models are powered by the Google Tensor G4 processor, delivering faster performance, better AI integration, and enhanced energy efficiency. The base models come with 12 GB of RAM, while the Pro versions can go up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. Expect AI-powered features like smarter photo editing, real-time translation, and adaptive battery management for all-day use. Section 4. Camera upgrades. Google never disappoints with its cameras, and the Pixel 9 series is no exception. The Pixel 9 Pro XL and Pro Fold feature a 50-megapixel main sensor, 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and 48-megapixel telephoto lens. The Pixel 9 and 9a offer stunning 48-megapixel main cameras with improved low-light and AI stabilization. Whether you're into astrophotography, portraits, or action shots, the Pixel 9 series delivers pro-level results. Section 5. Battery and charging. Battery life has always been a Pixel strength. The Pixel 9 Pro XL packs a 4,942 mAh battery, while the smaller models hold their own with 4,558 mAh batteries. Fast charging, you bet. Expect 30-watt wired charging and 25-watt wireless charging with better heat management for prolonged use. Section 6. Release date and pricing. So, when can you get your hands on the Pixel 9 series? The Pixel 9, 9 Pro, 9 Pro, XL, and Pro Fold are already making waves. Launched in August 2024, the budget-friendly Pixel 9a is expected to debut in mid-2025. As for pricing, the Pixel 9 starts at $699. The Pixel 9 Pro XL tops the lineup at around $1,199, and the Pro Fold may start at $1,799. There you have it. The Google Pixel 9 series is here to redefine the smartphone experience for 2025. Which model are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.